Module 2. Section 3. Part 4. Writing a basic port scanner in Python which checks whether a port is open or not. So, let's get started. Now we'll see the power of multi-threading in action. Start with importing thread from threading package and import the socket package as well. In the next steps, we take in input of IP address and port range. Declare two lists, one for saving which ports are open and one for handling threads. Now, we use the return value of connect to create the scanner function. The connect function returns integer. When the integer returned is 0, it means that the port it connected to is open. When the port is found to be open, we update its value inside open_ports list and close the connection. Then, we need to create a for loop that iterates from lower bound to upper bound. For each iteration, rather than directly calling the function scanner, a thread is initialized so as to increase the efficiency of the code. Provided if instead of the thread, if the function call was directly performed, a visible performance drop can be observed. Let's run the code. For this tutorial, I have set up another VM with Apache Server and SSH running at IP address 10.0.2.15. Yes, the code works as expected and scan speed is quite fast. Threading surely reduced the execution time with help of parallel processing.